guys, in today's video we're gonna test the Insta360 GO 3S and we're gonna do 10 cool shots for a car video. Coming up right now. Let's do it. These are all the tools I'm gonna be using today. The suction cup mount, this one, that is, everything comes included in the kit. Just this one is not included, but it's not that expensive. You can get it online. So I'm gonna put the link for everything if you wanna get each piece separately, but everything, it came in a kit. Okay, I'm gonna use this one for the cap, the magnetic, this one, the sticky mount, this one I'm gonna put it in with this one, and the camera, of course, the GO 3S. So this is everything that I'm going to be using in this video. And also you can mount the camera with this clip. Make sure this is in the right direction. And with the suction cup, is an amazing setup, but just make sure that the clips are all the way because you don't want the camera to fall on the road. But this one is great. And also you can put the camera with the pod to the suction cup mount, and you can move the tab to attach it to the car. And these are the specs. For video recording, 4K resolution at 30 frames per second with a wide angle mega view FOV. The camera weighs 39 grams and with the action pod it weighs 96 grams. The camera is waterproof and you can submerge it up to 10 meters, but the action pod is splash resistant. The camera has a battery life of 38 minutes. But if you put it in the action pod, it will last 140 minutes. And it has a stabilization, flow state, ensures smooth footage. And the camera is magnetic and you can attach it to any metal surface, but with the cool accessories you can do a lot of great things. And another cool feature is the flip up screen that is great for vlogging or for viewing the video that you're recording. Okay, and these are the most important specs in my opinion, but if you wanna see the full specs, there is a link on the description on the video down below and you can check it out over there. Okay, let's continue with the video. Okay guys, and this is the Insta360 GO 3S. Is a solid little action camera. It's lightweight, super portable, and packs impressive 4K video quality and a smooth stabilization. The magnetic mounting system makes it really easy to use, and the flip-up touchscreen and action pod is a very handy addition. The battery life is decent, especially when paired with the pod, and the waterproofing means it's ready for adventures. If you want something compact but powerful, it's a great choice. Perfect for capturing everyday moments or action-packed trips without the bulk of a traditional action camera. So in conclusion, it's a great camera. But let me know what you guys think on the comments, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye. Okay guys, it's time to announce the winner for the giveaway. I'm gonna put the comment over here, and he won this product. Okay. Congratulations to the winners, and we have more giveaways, and the information is gonna be on the next video. Contact me on my website or Instagram. Okay, thank you guys for watching. God bless you. Thank you for the support, for putting the comments and subscribing to the channel. Thank you, God bless you, and see you on the next video.